Mira? We're going to go knock down my trees. Do you see where they are? Look with your eyes. Look where they are. You see them? So let's go get them. So reach across. Go, go, go. Let's go. Keep going. What are you doing? Put the legs over. Good.
Good job, honey.
Head up and then push over that arm.
That's exactly what we do.
Good.
That is exactly what we do. Good. And I just sometimes just kind of wait and see what she does because for a while her arm would fall down and it would stay there. Now she's starting to be able to push it up.
Good. Push.
There you go.
Push
she does exactly. Yeah. Just like that.
Keep going. Try again. You gotta get the head back up. Try again. Head up so you can push over there. Yeah, you do it. You can. We're waiting for you.
Come on, Mira. Heady up. Heady up.
Head up so we can push.
Come on, Bubba.
Keep that head up.
There we go.
Good. Push, push, push. Oh, you lost that head. Come on over. Push, push, push. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Oh,
There
can you
she
reach for those
is.
trees? Look where they are.
Uh-oh.
Look where they are.
Uh-oh, Mira.
Go get them. Come on, reach across. Good, keep going. Get those legs over.
Pick up your leg, baby. Good job.
Good, get those legs all the way. Good. Whoa, we didn't get it yet. Head up and push over. We're going to knock them down.